Okay.
And let me explain. The type of arrest normally was arrest under warrant.
Okay.
There was an arrest warrant or more original so the chief amount to be.
Okay, because what I'm saying, let's just say EOCO for buy and not omukra arrest warrant. I don't know what the chief amount to us at that time.
That's correct.
The man for yes a Rambo star, you know who she never found, and you know, okay.
Media, I'm explaining it from a legal perspective.
From the legal perspective, and your politics,
And if there's anything wrong, what is wrong is the law itself, not the approach.
Okay.
And Ranwich, let's say, EOCO for almost all powers of the police. That is the EOCO Act.
Okay.
And it's almost a year, police and that includes arrest, upon warrant. But what we didn't do in the law, they said, now a case is subjected warrant, from the court granted upon the court grant of an order, not by EOCO itself. And default, in the law, no need baby, EOCO nankasa able power of issuance of the warrant.
Okay.
Because the anchor court in the issue warrant the law was treating like that. And justification of issuing the warrant will be determined in the court.
Okay.
But they themselves can determine whether or not to arrest under warrant.
Okay.
And they came with a warrant.
Okay.
And said 48-hour rule under a criminal procedure code. So yes, it applies to those arrests that does not come with a warrant.
Okay. Okay.
And 48-hour rule does not play on this one.
Does not play on this one. Oh, okay.
Again, by as we speak, he has been granted bail.
Okay.
Na yetimi meeting bail conditions.
Okay. This is a challenge.
However bad it looks, like I always say, it is the law that makes it bad. Nipaya ono to issue arrest warrant. Ono also leeway to grant bail.
Sure.
Which means that ono also to determine conditions of bail. Default in the law, as I say, address.
The address, okay.
You reserve so much power into one institution or authority. Nipa apply law no, the mischief come then it affects individual rights.
Sure.
But I know the law no necessarily very respected human rights provisions of the same law.
Okay. Now, okay, I said the next say, bill term no crown, EOCO for none determine, and your court,
EOCO for none determine. The relief available to us is to go to court. Under the EOCO law and also other laws, to pray the courts and review
bill
terms.
Okay.
And I know I pay filing near court. But unfortunately, we need to serve the respondents being EOCO itself and Attorney General. They also ought to be heard. It means that we cannot come by way of an ex parte application.
Okay.
We may have to come on notice. Notice, they need to be served. When they are served, so the expectation is that they need time to prepare to also file an affidavit of opposition, if any.
Okay.
Which means to say the appropriate time to come back to court will be sometime Tuesday or Wednesday.
And the council, until that time, let's just say, Chawa wontumi will still be at the custody of the EOCO.
Say, you to meet the bail terms in the sanitary.
Now, what is the bail term? What is the bail term?
Listen, bail term is he is admitted to bail of 50 million Ghana cedis. Bail bond, no. Now, two sureties to be justified.
Okay.
Two sureties to be justified. What it means is sureties no mobile. Landed property to the tune of 50 million. The two of them put together.
Okay.
To say to the tune 50 million or above. And only problem now in the execution of the bail conditions. Until the last 3 days, Bobodia Shisha Niandina. Unfortunately, as we speak now, BBI substantial between the Aquaco file as meeting the terms of the bail conditions.
Oh, okay.
And the pay, I have indications that Namia Bia and the pay intimate say, on the other hand, I ready to the call for a review of the bail conditions. The SSA be within our means under the law. We are ready to do it.
Anyway.